2023 Volvo XC40, what we know so far. If the XC60 is a midsize SUV, then the XC40 is a compact SUV. The display of the 2021 XC40 is also more interesting than the brother. Because of that, if it is assessed based on the exterior, 202 XC40 is more attractive. If you talk, of course, this car is cheaper. Because it also seems like some things have more shortcomings than the XC60. We thought about the 2023 Volvo XC40 later if the car was completely built. Will it be more interesting? We hope the car will look more attractive, and better in terms of performance. For more details, read this article to complete. First, expectations. After seeing it from several sides, we thought Volvo designed this car very nicely. The exterior shown is very enchanting. The interior part also doesn't want to lose. We saw it as simple but luxurious. Very fitting for a car like this. It doesn't seem this is our main expectation. Therefore, we focus on the performance section of this car. After we see the performance of the lowest trim, we think it must be improved. Apart from the lowest, the highest must also be improved. We hope Volvo will think about it. For more details, we discussed it below. 2023 Volvo XC40 trim levels. Reporting to Edmunds.com, 2021 Volvo XC40 has 6 different trims. T4 Momentum, T4 R-Design, T4 Inscription, T5 Momentum, T5 R-Design, and T5 Inscription. Oh yes, Edmunds.com labeled T5 R-Design as the most popular. The reason may be because the prices and specifications offered are quite ideal. After thinking about it, we thought the number of 6 trims was pretty good. The difference in the version between T4 and T5 provides its advantage for the selection process for buyers. This might be a business trick from Volvo. Because, as we see above, T4 and T5 both have 3 trims. In essence, building a 2023 Volvo XC40 with 6 trim levels is a choice that can be said to be right. Exterior, extraordinary. We decided to label the exterior of 2021 XC40 with great words. Just look, it looks amazing. We hope that the 2023 XC40 will also have such a design, even better. It seems like Volvo built this car well, with a slick exterior. The black part on the roof of the car makes it look enchanting. The back also looks modern. Unlike a car, some SUV cars look old-fashioned. And the front looks cool, like an XC60. The headlights were as if a man was staring sharply cool. We hope 2023 Volvo XC40 will feature the same exterior, or even better. Interior, quite interesting. We do not place it at the same level as the exterior for the interior of 2021 XC40. Because the interior looks ordinary, like an SUV in general. Even so, the design that is stated on the exterior still displays a simple and luxurious impression. It seems like this is the characteristic of Volvo's car. The design and placement of the screen fit interesting. The chairs provided also seem to be comfortable when used. Not forgetting, Volvo also presents various security features and comfort in this car. We only hope that the 2023 Volvo XC40 will feature a luxurious impression. Because it looks like a look that looks simple is not interesting. Expected engine, transmission, and performance. As we said above, performance is the main focus in this matter. Because we see, the performance of the 2021 XC40 is not so good. Trim with the lowest price only has a machine that can make it issue 187 HP. Likewise, with the frame at the highest price. What he can afford is only a horse's power below 300 HP. It looks like we don't need to talk about torque. Karin is similar. Even so, we think there is another thing that causes this car to be more form. But we thought Volvo must improve performance. We expect this, and the 2023 Volvo XC40 will later be a car with higher performance. 2023 Volvo XC40 price estimation. If you look at some of the things we expected, especially in terms of performance, it seems that the increase in prices that occur will be quite significant. T4 Momentum 2021 XC40, which costs only $33,700, we think it will increase several $1,000s. At least an increase of around $5,000 to $38,700 is quite decent. This applies to all